Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th mathematics chapter number 2 sets fill in the blanks. Most important question here, okay na? So we already see the most important questions recording to this chapter, so but in this we are going to see the fill in the blanks only. Okay, so let's see. So this video is especially for the Telangana State Board and Andhra State Board, so you can see this one. Okay, we are going to see the also answer sheet. We will see also answer sheet. I will show you. So just wait a few seconds here. Okay, let's cover first of all this one. Okay. Alright, so is it a easy one here? So you can see the answer sheet here. Okay, till 1 to the 34 answer is given here. Okay, so I hope is it clear for you and you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding in this one, and if it is clear for you, so we will meet another video. Jai Hind.